Hi guys, welcome back to your physics lessons. Today I teach you total internal reflection. What is total internal reflection? I will tell you. Objective, how does total internal reflection occurs? Okay, how does marriage far? In this video I will tell you. Now, total internal reflection. I told you before, when the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, you know that the refracted ray bends away from the normal, and R is what? R is bigger than I. And now, if I increase the incident ray, if I increase the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection is also increasing. And you see, I increase the angle of what? Incidence, the angle of reflection is also increasing. But in a certain at a certain angle of incidence, the angle of reflection, I told for you critical angle, the angle of reflection became 90 degree. This incident, this is I. This incident, this angle of incidence is called critical angle. I is equal to C. When we told I is critical angle, that the angle of refraction became 90 degree. Now I told you this is called what? Critical angle. But what happened when I increase the angle of incidence? You see, I is greater than the critical angle. If you see in this figure, I is greater than the critical angle, the light do not travel to rarer medium. Is reflected in the same medium. It means the light do not refract it or do not travels on other medium. Is reflected back in this denser medium. This is called what? Total internal reflection. When total internal reflection occur, that angle of incidence is greater than the angle of the critical angle. I will tell you for you. Condition for total internal reflection: if the light is incident at the angle larger than the critical angle, total internal reflection will occur. I tell for you that I be greater than the C, that total internal reflection occurs. Total internal reflection occurs as a light passing from a higher refractive medium, it means denser medium, to a lower refractive medium, it means rarer medium. When the total internal reflection occurs, that the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. And I will tell you one event that sometimes in summer we see these events marriage. Why does the marriage form? How the marriage form in summer days? The result of formation of marriage is total internal reflection. Okay, I will tell you how marriage form. You see, marriage are caused by the refraction of light as it passing through a non-uniform atmosphere. Okay, when you see puddles ahead on a hot highway, this is mirage. This mirage formed by refraction, by the refraction of light, and also the result is total internal reflection. You see, when the light travels from denser medium, this is cold area. Cold area is denser medium. And here we have hot air, it means rarer medium. And if the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, and you know that the angle of incidence is increasing, the angle of reflection is also increasing. And you know that the refracted ray, I told for you, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. It means I is what? I is here, you know that R is what? R is greater than the I. At a certain angle of incidence, the angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees. And then I increase once again. I is greater than the C. I is greater than the critical angle. Then the light reflect in the same medium. It means the light do not travel to the rarer medium. It means the ray passing through the same medium. And the observer see this line. Observer see the image of tree or the image of object inverted. The result is total internal reflection. The result that mirage form is total internal reflection. These are all about today's lessons, my students. If you have any question about today's lessons, try to comment below. And also don't forget follow our YouTube channel. Goodbye. Have a nice day.